Hello, welcome to my channel today. This is the King's Tutor. The first time I'm joining us, please ensure you like, comment, share, and subscribe to our channel. And if you're a returning subscriber, thank you for your support thus far. I want to see a question from NECO GC exam that was set, and one of the questions relating to non-profit making organization. I want to see the non-profit making from the scratch. Please ensure you check up here or in my description so you see the format and how we started. We have done diverse videos on that. Okay, so now let's see the question. Now, the question said, the following information were extracted from the books of Rangers Social Club for the year ended 31st December 2020. First one, receipts, subscription 13,800, donations 19,200, interest received 480. I also have payment, salaries and wages 45, scholarship 4,440, drug for orphanage homes 4,140, stationery 1,020, office furniture 6,180, investment 9,000, and we have a balance carried down of 4,200. Everything sum up to be 33,480. Now, in the additional information, we have the subscription outstanding 600, accrued expenses. We have stationery 480, drugs 360, scholarship 1,920, and salaries 600. Now, you're required to prepare the first one, income and expenditure account. The second one, balance sheet as at 31st December 2020. Okay, so that's the question. Now let's proceed to solve this. Now, proceeding to solve this, we're going to start with our adjustment. Okay, so if we have our adjustment, okay, so the adjustment, now we'll start from the first item there, which is the subscription. So we'll have our subscription, which is A. Our subscription is an income to the club. So we're going to see amount they receive from the subscription there. Amount they received is 13,800. Okay. Now they now said subscription outstanding in additional information. So we are going to add the amount that is outstanding. So amount outstanding is 600. So if we do that, this is 0, 0, 8 plus 6, 14, 4. This is 4, and this is 1. So that's 14,400. Okay, so that's subscription. Then B, they said accrued expenses. The following expenses are accrued. So, which is accrued expenses. Okay, and the first one is stationery. Stationery. So, stationery, let's see, amount that was paid. How much is it? The amount paid is 1,020. And amount paid 120. Then add accrued from additional information. Accrued is 480. So if I add up, this is 0, this is 0, this is 5, this is 1. That's 1,500. That's stationery. Then the next one is drugs. Drugs. We have amount paid 4,140. And the next one is we'll add accrued, which is from the additional information, which is what, 360. So this is 360. So this is 0, this is 0, this is 5, and this is 4. So that's 4, 5. Okay. The next one is the scholarship. So we'll have the scholarship. So I have amount paid. Amount that was paid in scholarship is 4,440. If you add accrued in additional information is 1,920. So this is 0, this is 4 plus 2 is 6, this is 13, and this is 6. That's 6,360. Okay. Why the last one there is the salaries. Salaries. The salaries will have amount paid. The amount paid in the salaries in the receipt and payment is 45. Therefore, now add accrued. is 600. 45 plus 600 is 0, 0. This is 11. We have 1, and this is 5, 1. Okay, so that is the adjustment for the question. And let's start to prepare the income and expenditure accounts. Okay, so we'll come here now. We'll set the Rangers Social Club. The Rangers Social Club. So we have the income and expenditure account. Okay, so now let's prepare income and expenditure account. Now we've done income and expenditure from the scratch. Please check in our channel. So we have expenditure here, and this is the what? The income. Okay, so from here now we'll now have from top our subscription. We have done adjustment for it, so it is 14,400. So subscription is an income to the club. The next one is donations. Donations from our question there is 19,200, and we also have interest received. Interest received from our question there is what? 480. So that's the income. Okay, then we'll move to the next one, which is what? The salaries and wages, which are the expenditure. So we'll have our salaries and wages. How much is it? We did an adjustment. It is 5,100. So I have 5,100. Okay. So the next one, we have drugs. So I have drugs. Drugs, we did an adjustment 4,500. So I have 4,500. Okay. So the next one is scholarship. Scholarship, we did an adjustment 6,360. 6,360. The next one is stationery. Stationery, we did an adjustment as 1,500. Okay, and that is the only expenditure there. Other payments, they are not expenditure. They are office furniture and investment. Okay, they are not expenditure. So we are going to add this to see if we have a surplus or deficit. So if we do that now adding the right hand, which is the income, 14,400 plus 19,200 plus 480 will give us 34,080, which is way bigger than this. So if you deduct this from the total, which is supposed to be 34,080, you have a surplus 16,620. The surplus because the income exceeds the expenditure. Okay, so that is the income and expenditure. Now let's move to the balance sheet. So we now have balance sheet as at 31st December 2020. Okay, so from this now, let's start from the right hand side. Our assets is supposed to be here. Okay, the assets now from the question, we have our office furniture. From the receipt and payment, what's office furniture? It is 6,180. Okay, while the next one, we have our investment, also an asset. it is 9,000. Okay. Why? If you check in the receipt and payment, you are going to see the balance carried down. That balance carried down is the difference between what was received and the payment. So it is cash in hand, and cash in hand is an asset. Okay. So the balance every time for receipt and payment is a cash in hand. So the cash in hand is 4,200. And if you check also in the additional information, you see subscription outstanding. Subscription is an income to the company, to the club. So if they have an outstanding income, it means an accrued income. An accrued income is a current asset. So we have subscription outstanding. How much is it? It is 600. So that's the assets there. Now let's see the left-hand side. Now the left-hand side, we're supposed to have accumulated fund, but there's no accumulated fund given in the question. So we just put our surplus, which is 16,620. Okay. Then we'll now have our liabilities. Now liabilities, we check all the items in the additional information that was accrued, all those expenses that was accrued is a liability. So we'll start from the first one. Stationery, the accrued amount. So we'll have stationery. Accrued is 480. So the next one, drugs, 360. The next one, scholarship, 1,920. And the fourth one, salaries, 600. The accrued amount. So if you add all this, both the left and the right hand, so the right hand side, if you add up 6,180 plus 9,000 plus 42 plus 600, if you use our calculator, it will give us 19,980. And if you do this also, it should give us 19,980. Okay, so that is how to solve the income and the expenditure account. Please ensure you like, comment, share, and subscribe to our channel. If you want to see how we can do this from scratch, check in my description or search the King's Tutor non-profit making organization, and you're going to see that. Okay, thank you very much. Ensure you like, comment, share, and subscribe. Follow us on all social media platforms. We're on Facebook, on Instagram, on TikTok, on YouTube. Okay, thank you very much.